entire family. Hello everyone, my name is Santrapati. I am studying in grade 5th. Today I am going to speak about my family. Family is the greatest gift in our life. A family gives us love, care, support and happiness. My family is greatest strength and my biggest support system. We love and respect each other. My parents work hard every day to give me a good life and better education. At home, we eat together, celebrate festivals, and spend our quality time with each other. My family teaches me important values like honesty, kindness, discipline, and respect to elders. Because of my family, I feel safe, happy, and confident. I'm proud of my family and thankful for the love and care they give me every day. Thank you.